Right, this is the Harley Davidson V rod, standard exhaust pipe. Off. I'm just going to start it. What it sounds like, completely standard. Now this is the sound with a tab performance tailpipes on it. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 years now since I've done the exhaust pipe conversion. Still looking really nice, hasn't missed a beat. I also put some Harley clamps on there, which I believe come from the Screaming Eagle exhaust pipe, just to make it look nice and flush. I also put some mufflers in the tailpipes as well, because it is very loud, just to get down a couple of decibels. Also subscribe and stay tuned. I'll let you know how I did the conversion from the original 180 wheel to a 240 wheel using the original swing arm. So that was quite interesting how I did that. I've also got a Triumph Tiger Explorer, which I'm going to be customizing for next year's road trips. So subscribe and stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care.